Hey traders, it's Monday morning. I hope you guys killed it. I'm so excited to be back. I had a little ring rust this morning. Ended the day green. There were a few lessons for me to learn today, and I hope you guys learned something too. Okay, I just got an entry on ATOS at 146. This is what I was going over in pre-market, guys. 143 is the 50-day moving average, so we're going to see tough support there. We haven't been over the 50-day moving average in 7 or 8 months. It's been a long time. We got a catalyst. We're breaking above it. I could see this one forming some type of support, right above that 143 area. Now I have very predefined risk on this. It's coming down to that area right now. It looks like it's going to crack it. I'm going to see what it's going to do right around these areas. Right now 143 is coming right below it, probably taking out some stop orders. I'm going to see if this one's going to try to hold up, if it's going to get some buyers coming in right around this area. So we got 143 bids coming up, 144 bids. This is oftentimes what some of these algos will do. It'll come right below that 50-day, take out some stop orders, and then start moving back on up. So we are seeing that support being held right at that 143 area. And this is where we're getting that push on up. So that is serving as a support level. Okay, and now it's coming back down. It's cracking under that level. So I cut my loss, $15. That's the power of a starter entry, guys. So I cut it really quick, 3-cent loss, 15 bucks. That's a winning trade. HDSN, this one is moving on up very quickly. When the leading gapper starts fading on off, something else starts getting the volume. In this case, it's HDSN. This one is getting all the attention. Okay, HDSN, this one is moving on up. I was looking for that pullback. Right now I'm in this. I'm trying to build a position into HDSN right above this 9 and VWAP. These are two great levels of support. HDSN, I did build a position right above this VWAP and 9 EMA. I got an entry at 169 average. When a stock like ATOS gets a spike near the open and then just kind of fades on off for a little bit, volume starts slowing down. You see that right here. And then volume starts dispersing, going to other places. We will oftentimes see some sort of volume spike come back into HDSN at a certain period of time, especially if we look at the 5-minute chart. So HDSN, oftentimes on a lot of these stocks, and I need to do this more, but the 1-minute time frame gives us an entry. The 5-minute time frame gives us the direction of the stock. And what we're wanting to see on HDSN is the next green candle. Next green candle to make a new high, and we're starting to see this stock really start moving on up a little bit. We could see that green candle coming in shortly on this 5-minute time frame to get the direction of the stock, which is most likely going to be testing high of day again. And the ask is at 173 right now. So we got a 5-cent spread. If volume does push into this on the bullish side, we could see the next green candle coming on in and the next leg up. And that's exactly what we're seeing right now. I went ahead and took profits at high day just to be smart. Also to be green on the day right now, but I want to definitely see what this is going to do. And it is getting that volume push and moving back on up. I always sell too early. That is the emotion I struggle with, is taking profits when I have them, just because I want to be green. I want to be green more than I want to make money. Really, the 5-minute time frame was incredibly helpful here, and I hardly really ever use the 5-minute time frame, and I need to, because 1 minute provides us the entry. The 5-minute provides us the direction. The entry was, of course, right above the 9 and VWAP. Started consolidating right above that. Volume was dying down a little bit. Then, of course, we get the first green 5-minute candlestick, and then we get the push on up. This is a textbook type of trade. I sold way too early on this. Or at least I should have scaled out. There's a few different patterns we can see here. Another one is the ABCD pattern. So the A is our initial high right here. B is the low that we form. So that's right around VWAP and 9. And then C is our higher low. This is the higher low here, guys. And this is oftentimes what we'll see on the ABCD pattern. The entry should be the higher low right above the VWAP. And then you should at least scale out at high day. See, I sold my whole position at 1,000 shares. I should have sold half. I should have sold half, and then the rest I would have cut break even if it came back down. But that's a lesson learned. I should have sold half at resistance and then half, up here at $2, rather than just taking it all off the table at our first level of resistance. Those are the couple trades I had for you guys today. I really hope you learned something. If you haven't yet, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and we will see you tomorrow.